So in this video we will see how can we stop startup apps in Windows 10. So for this you have to right click on taskbar and select task manager, open it, and here you will see an option of startup, and here is the list of applications that has been listed for startup applications. So you can just right click and enable or disable. If you want to enable, just right click and enable, so it will be enabled, or if you want to disable, just right click on the application and click on disable. This is the first way, and the second way is just go to start menu and open setting, and here is the option of apps. Just click on it, and here is the option you can see startup. Click on the startup, and here's the list of all application which has been listed as a startup applications. So you can just enable or disable for startup applications. So this is the second way, and third one is the manual way, in which you have to go to the exact path of that application. So here is the path for Windows 10 for startup applications. You can just copy this path and right click on start menu and click on run, then paste and click OK, and here you will see the list of applications which has been put in startup for Windows 10.